Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to block people from adding you to unwanted group on WhatsApp. In some cases, you may be finding it very funny when you just see yourself in a group that you don't even know the purpose of the group, you don't know the admin of the group. Somebody just pick your number from somewhere, add you up. Things like that really get annoying in most times because you have different type of notification coming from the particular group. Okay, so for you to be on the safer side so that you don't want people to just be adding your number to whatever WhatsApp group as the case may be, this video is going to walk you through step by step the process you need to follow and what you need to set on your WhatsApp so that whoever is trying to add you to any group you are not interested, it will not be able to add you successfully. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything you need to set on your WhatsApp to protect that kind of harassment. So let's get to the practical started. So the first thing you need to do is to access your WhatsApp. So when you get to your WhatsApp, so just follow me the instruction on the screen. So you need to tap in these three dots here. Then you click on settings. Click on here, settings, okay? Might take you to this page. So next thing you have to do is to click on accounts. So the next thing you need to do is to click on privacy. So when you get to the privacy, this is where you determine who can add you to the group. So you have to scroll down, you see group. Here, group. Now, when your WhatsApp has, in the group section of your own WhatsApp, if you have it everyone like this simply means that anybody can add you to any WhatsApp group. That's the meaning. So for you to block some people from adding you to unwanted WhatsApp group, you have to tap on the groups now. When you click on it, this is where you determine. The first one is everyone, the following by my contact, followed by my contact except. Now, for me to block people that want to add me on unwanted WhatsApp group, so the next thing for me to do is to select my contact. That simply means that if you are my friend, that is only when you can have access to add me into any group. If you are not my friend, you just pick my number somewhere else, you cannot add me to WhatsApp group or whatsoever group is it. So I'm going to tap on my contacts. Okay, now having clicked on that, click on done. Boom, that is it. So this simply means that anybody that is not on my friend list or on my phone list, they can never save me on any WhatsApp group. So this is how you block unwanted people from saving you to a WhatsApp group you don't know anything about. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find value for this video, give the video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to support this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.